Hi dolls! Welcome back to my channel. Today it's a Saturday morning. I woke up on a messy room. I know it's makalat and hindi ko na masyadong i-focus sa messy na room. But Saturday morning, I just washed my face and let's go and add moisturizer. Kasi sobrang ang dami nangyari in parang sa past weeks. Promise, grabe yung skincare out of hand. As in, hindi na ako nakakapag consistent sa skincare. Because sobrang dami nangyari. Siguro kukwento ko na lang in, the next video. Let's see yung mga ganap sa buhay namin. So, yun. But in fairness, look, hindi na sobrang, although syempre meron pa rin stressed pero hindi na grabe yung dark spots ko. So I'm gonna say in fairness, the Lux Organics is working for me. But anywho, what we're really here for is, wait lang, yan, may ako mag-sunscreen. I just want to show you guys, because what we're really here for, why I'm really filming is these. Yun. Wala akong ibang magandang lalagyan. I'm so sorry. Nandyan lang muna siya. But I'm into and linen spray. Sobrang, I don't know, medyo na ko ngayon, parang medyo ang focus ko is a little on mga home kineme route. Diba, sobrang kalat ng kwarto. And you know what? Kapag makalat yung kwarto nyo on a weekend, it's totally fine. You don't need to be so, about the linis. Ayan! It's a Saturday morning. I just want to chill. For the past weeks, it's been crazy. Bababa yung camera. Hindi yata niya kinikere. Ayan mo, mababa siya. Yan. Okay, so what we're really here for, babadaliin ko kasi yung camera and hindi kinakaya nung stand yung camera, girl! Okay, so kukwento ko na lang. I'm really into room and linen spray. I don't know why, but medyo feel ko na yung ambience ng room, yung amoy ng room is, mabango, parang dati pa. Tapos ang pinaka ginagamit ko talaga is mga scented candles, and the last one I've used is scented by Max, and in fairness sobrang okay yung mga yung range ng candles. Hey dolls, just wanted to share these scented candles that I got from Scented by Max. And I did not expect that one of them will be smaller than the other. So let's find out which one was the smaller one. So let's open it up. Nice, so nice packaging. Look at that. Let's check the smaller one. This cure for a week now. So baka nag-i-English. This one is the lavender. Now this one is fresh bamboo. I love the simplicity of the packaging. It's so nice. And talagang maamoy. Love that about it. Ano ba? Parang hiningal ako bigla. Room and linen spray. Hindi naman nag-word, pero I don't know, parang gusto ko talagang subukan, as in. First, ang dumating dito is from Alexander Fragrance. Ililink ko yung link. Lalagay ko na lang yung link ng store nila on the description box. But ito siya. What I got is lavender eucalyptus and pure Caribbean from them. So, kasi yung lavender, medyo gusto ko talaga siya bago matulog. Diba nga Twilight yung ginagamit ko all over me ba?
Bad girl, magkano din si to highlight, 1,000 something siya.
So, hindi sustainable. Hindi sustainable kapag hindi ka pa kumikita sa YouTube. Yung ganon. So, dito muna ako sa room and linen spray. And I kinda like the idea din kasi kapag pasok ko, diba, syempre mag-spray na ako before mag-shower, ganyan-ganyan. Kapag niready ko na yung room. Tapos pagpasok mo, ang bango, yung ganon. Yun yung gusto kong peg. Si Twilight can do that naman. Actually, pwede rin siya sa, sa mga pillowcase mo, sa linen mo. Pero alam mo yun,
Medyo mapapano kayo. Medyo gugustuhin mo siya tiperet.
kaya sa akin ko lang siya ni-spray. But anyway, extender fragrance, yung ganito nila, would be this much.
Hindi ko makayala yung pressure. I apologize.
For 250 ml of all natural deodorizer disinfectant. Yan. So, ito siya. In fairness, the Pure Caribbean, it's giving me that medyo powdery vibe, but it's giving me that comfy vibe. It's really giving me that comfy vibe na in fairness ang bango. Yan, ito si Pure Caribbean. And then, for the same amount, si Lavender Eucalyptus naman, ang relaxing ng vibe. Parang kung iaano ko kay Twilight, si Twilight kasi merong konting cream feel, kaya parang medyo mas dense yung amoy niya. Ito, light, hindi siya light eh. Medyo dense din, pero wala yung cream effect ng lavender. So, I'm loving it. Ang bango. No other way to say it, but ang bango din niya. And then, talagang makukuha mo yung lavender na, na essence. Yan. My good friend din kasi, this is their business. Let's support startup business and small businesses din. So, ito, scented by Max. Ang taray kasi Shangri-La. And then, dito na ang batang maliit. And then, lavender. Kasi nga, gusto ko talaga ng lavender scent. So, I wanted to try yung lavender din nila. This is not comparison video, okay? I just wanted to show you your options. That's it. And then, this one, I am very happy. This is only for 169 pesos. I'm also gonna link the link below. Ha! Paano ba sinasabi yun? The link below. Sorry, ayan. Andyan na yung bata.
Yes?
Yeah. So, 169 lang, ma'am. Sobrang mura. This is another option for you to go with. If you want your room smelling like, yung mga parang social na mall, mga ganon. Lavender. Palaban. In fairness, palaban si lavender. Ayun. Sorry naman if yun nga mayroong maingay sa background. Because the kid is right here. And then, this is what surprised me. Shangri-La, actually. It smells close, super close kay Pure Caribbean. As in, super close. So, nakakatuwa kasi meron akong another option if medyo on a budget. Ito, Shangri-La. It's so good. In fairness, marirecommend ko din talaga siya. Tapos, yung mga candles, ganyan, scented. I got fresh bamboo. It's ubos na. Isa ko yung lavender din. Is ubos na. I wanted to buy coffee bean from them, but I guess naunahan ako ng mga room and linen na spray. So, siguro sa next na na budget, doon naman ako sa mga candles. But anyway, from Alexander Fragrance na Rolly. Hindi ko pa siya binubuksan because I'm saving it for this video. Sobrang lapit ng camera. Kasi parang babagsak siya dun sa ko. So, parang ayoko siyang ilagay doon. But anyway, ito. I'm gonna say this is a lot smaller than what I expected it to be. Okay, it has burning instructions and a little warning at the bottom. And then, let's open it up. Ito siya.
I could
In
drink
fairness,
it.
a jar. No, this is not something you drink enough.
Right?
Ang sosyal. Ang sosyal nung amoy. Parang green belt. Green belt. Ang ano, in fairness, ang sosyal nung amoy. Paano ko ba siya i-explain? But here, what it has is neroli, basil, and jasmine. Yeah, in fairness, ang pristine nung amoy. Pristine. No, Minji, I can't wait to try this. But yeah. Anyway, ayun, I just wanted to share. Diba nag-trend nga yung mga perfume collection kineso. So, yung kasi scent din ng lugar would parang make a difference sa mood, diba? The atmosphere. Ayan, the atmosphere of the room would really differ. Yung ganon, if it's really mabango, so talagang nakaka-relax. Ayan. So, anyway, those are what I'm so into right now. And I hope may nakita kayo na baka maka-good vibes din sa inyo kasi I really need all the good vibes that I can get for, the past weeks, mga nangyayari from the past weeks. Gusto ko talaga ng medyo good vibes whenever I'm here in the room. Kaya, ito yung mga, mga ginagawa ko talagang, diba, aromatherapy. Ayan. So, I hope you like it and mag-try din kayo ng mga ganito pampa-good vibes sila, in fairness. If you're on a budget, Scented by Max is there for you. Hindi ka niya ipapahiya. Hindi ka niya i-let down. And then, if you have a little more budget, you can go with Alexander Fragrance. In fairness, rin sila, parang highly recommended din. Kasi okay din yung mga scents nila. Ayan. So, yun lang for this video. Just wanted to share yung mga, yung mga mga pampa-good vibes ko these days. Ayun lang, dolls. Thank you for watching. Thank you for bearing with my bare face on this video. Again, I just really want to chill on this Saturday morning. I mean, walang pressure muna for this Saturday morning. So, I'm really laid back. Ito, nakaupo lang, hawak ko lang yung camera and all. Walang mic. So, hindi ko alam kung anong kalalabasan ng audio na to. But yeah, super chill lang. Ayun, thank you. Thank you, dolls, for watching. I miss you. And on the next videos, i-update ko kayo kung ano mga nangyayari. Ayan. Thank you, dolls. See you on the next video.